Button. Stop re-snorting. Stop recording. Stop re-snorting. Speech off.
Alright, YouTube. Normally I don't make... I meant to say, hey YouTube, I'm sorry I haven't done a smoke alarm collector video in a long time, but normally I don't do survival tests like this, but I thought it'd be fun to kind of switch up a little bit and do it. So, right here I have this Square First Alert 10-year, kind of like the PC900V, but this one has a 10-year battery, and it's in perfect condition. It's in impeccable condition, meaning that everything works. The sound works, the voice works, and I'll go ahead and show you that now. Put it under my butt because it's like 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna have to kind of sit on this thing to make it quiet.
Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in hallway. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
So as you can tell, this thing works. I also have this round one. Oh God. I also have this round one that's also a 10-year, and it's a female. Actually, should I use that one or should I use my regular one? No, I think I'll use my regular 10-year actually. Wait. But I will show you though first before I get that one out that this one is working.
Testing.
The speaker's got a little bit of a scratch in it though. I don't know why, but as you can tell, it's the same pitch as the other one. And I got it covered up so it's not so loud. I got it covered a little bit better now. Okay, yep, that one does work. But we're not going to use that one. I decided not to use that one. Put that one away. I'm going to get my regular 10-year one out. Like, not the carbon monoxide, not the smoking carbon monoxide. Actually, no, that's an ionization. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Yeah, that's an ionization. Maybe I should not do that. That's an ionization. Yeah, that one's an ionization. Now let's do it with this one. It's a round one. It's a 10-year, and it doesn't talk, but it is round and it's a First Alert. It's a smoking carbon, and I'll put this under my butt here so you can, because I don't want it to be so loud, but I will show you that this does work. So it does work. Yep, see, it does work. Works perfectly fine. And what we're going to be doing today is something a little fun, kind of like what Everything Apple Pro does in his videos. But yeah, right now, guys, it is absolutely freezing outside. It's only November, and it's already in the freezing temperatures. I'll ask my device what time it is right now, so if you guys mute your device. Computer, open WeatherBug. I'm going to kind of blow into the mic when it gives my location. Computer, open WeatherBug. Computer, what time is it? Oh, why isn't it working? Computer, what time is it?
The time is 12:21 a.m.
Thank you.
Resuming weather bug. Hello, welcome back. What would you like to know?
What is the weather in my current location?
Winds are blowing north at around 4 miles per hour. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Cancel.
As you wish.
So yeah, you guys, it is 33 degrees out, absolutely freezing. So I'm gonna take the mounting plate off this one. I think it'd be easier. But what we're gonna do today is, and they're both gonna be on, so I can hear if anything falses. But we're gonna be doing like a survival test, meaning that both of these alarms are going to be in the window, exposed to cold, and we'll see how they survive. I'm really curious to see how they survive. So I'm going to put the phone right here for a minute, right there for a minute. Hopefully I can fit them both in there. I'm going to open this up. Put this one in first. Put this one right there on this side. Put this one over here on this side. Yeah. Close it down. I'm going to lock it for, let's see, it's nice and sealed. Yeah, I just locked it. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. So those are going to be sitting there. Those are going to be in there all night, and I will come back tomorrow and let you guys know. Let you guys know the results, and if they survived or didn't survive. So yeah, I'll be back tomorrow.
Speech record. Stop. Record. Stop.